In this video, we will use the most common 3,000 words in English in order to improve our reading skills. This is the series every English learner need to study. When you finish reading this story, you have to ask yourself, how many words did I understand? Welcome to a day in the life of an English learner. In this video, we will follow Alex through a typical day, using simple English sentences and phrases. By the end, you will have learned new vocabulary and improved your understanding. Let's begin. Alex's day starts early. Every morning, he wakes up at 7 a.m. He stretches in bed for a few minutes, feeling the warmth of the morning sun through his window. After getting up, Alex heads to the bathroom where he brushes his teeth for 2 minutes, then washes his face with cold water. This helps him feel refreshed and ready for the day. Before leaving the bathroom, Alex looks in the mirror to check his appearance. Afterward, he returns to his bedroom to make his bed, a habit he believes helps keep his room tidy and his mind clear. At 7:30 a.m., Alex is ready for breakfast. He goes to the kitchen where he prepares a simple but healthy meal. Today, he toasts 2 slices of whole grain bread and spreads a thin layer of butter on each slice. He also slices a banana and places the pieces on top of his toast. Next, Alex brews a fresh cup of coffee, enjoying the rich aroma that fills the kitchen. Sometimes, when he feels like a change, Alex will have oatmeal with fruits or a smoothie instead. Eating a nutritious breakfast is important to Alex because it gives him the energy he needs to start his day right.
After eating, Alex gets dressed for work. He picks out comfortable clothes that also look nice. Before leaving the house, Alex checks the weather. If it's cold, he puts on a jacket. Then, he walks to the bus stop near his home, greeting his neighbors along the way. The bus arrives at 8:10 a.m. Alex gets on the bus and finds a seat by the window. The ride to work takes about 20 minutes. During the trip, Alex likes to listen to music on his phone or read a book. This helps him relax before his busy day begins. His destination at 8:30 a.m. He says hello to his colleagues and takes his seat. His day officially starts at 9 a.m. Whether he's at work or school, Alex likes to be prepared. He reviews his tasks for the day and gets ready to focus. Around 10:30 a.m., Alex takes a short break. He goes to the break room, or cafeteria, and gets a cup of coffee or tea. During his break, Alex often chats with his colleagues. They talk about what they are working on, their plans for the weekend, or just make small talk. Taking breaks helps Alex stay refreshed. After his break, Alex returns to his work. He stays focused and completes his tasks one by one. If he's at work, he might join meetings or work on projects with his team. If he's at school, he pays attention in class and participates in discussions. Alex knows that staying on top of his work is important for success. At noon, Alex has lunch with some friends. They usually go to a nearby cafe. Today, Alex orders a sandwich with a side salad. During lunch, they talk and relax, taking a break from the day's activities. After eating, Alex feels ready to take on the rest of the day. The afternoon is often the busiest time of Alex's day. He focuses on finishing his work or studying for his classes. Even though it can be tiring, Alex stays motivated by thinking about his goals. Whether it's completing a project or understanding a difficult subject, Alex knows that hard work pays off. By 4:30 p.m., Alex starts to wrap up his day. He reviews what he has done and makes notes for the next day. At 5 p.m., Alex leaves work and heads home. The feeling of completing a productive day makes him feel satisfied. After getting home around 5:30 p.m., Alex changes into comfortable clothes. He then spends a little time relaxing. This could be watching TV, scrolling through social media, or just lying on the couch. Around 6:30 p.m., Alex prepares dinner. Today, he cooks pasta with tomato sauce and some vegetables. Cooking helps Alex unwind after a long day. After dinner, Alex enjoys some leisure time. He might watch a movie, read a book, or play video games. Sometimes he uses this time to call his family or friends and catch up. These moments of relaxation are important for Alex to recharge and balance his life. At 8 p.m., Alex spends some time studying English. He practices new words, listens to English podcasts, or watches shows in English. Alex believes that regular practice is key to improving his language skills. He sets small goals, like learning a few new words each day, to help him progress. By 10 p.m., Alex starts getting ready for bed. He brushes his teeth, washes his face, and changes into pajamas. Before sleeping, he reads a few pages of a book to help him relax. Alex sets his alarm for the next morning and aims to be asleep by 10:30 p.m. A good night's sleep is important to Alex, so he can wake up refreshed and ready for another day. As Alex lies in bed, he thinks about his day. He feels proud of what he accomplished at work or school. He recalls the conversations he had with his friends and the new things he learned. Alex knows that every day brings new challenges, but also new opportunities to grow and improve. He smiles as he remembers a funny moment from earlier in the day, which makes him feel happy and relaxed. Before drifting off to sleep, Alex spends a few minutes planning for tomorrow. He mentally goes through his schedule, thinking about what he needs to do. Alex has a few important tasks to complete at work or school, and he looks forward to tackling them. He also considers what he might have for breakfast and what clothes he will wear. Having a plan helps Alex feel organized and ready for the day ahead. Alex starts to think about his long-term goals. He dreams of becoming successful in his career and of traveling to different countries. Learning English is an important part of his dreams, as it will help him communicate with people from around the world. Alex imagines visiting places he has only seen in pictures, meeting new people, and experiencing different cultures. These dreams motivate Alex to keep learning and working hard. With these positive thoughts, Alex slowly drifts off to sleep. His mind begins to quiet down, and his body relaxes. The room is dark and peaceful, and the soft sound of the night outside helps him feel calm. Alex knows that getting enough sleep is important for his health and well-being. As he sleeps, his body rests, and his mind processes everything he learned during the day. That's a day in the life of Alex, an English learner. By watching this video, you've learned how Alex uses English in his daily life. Practice makes perfect, so keep using English every day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like,